Hey, it's Wick here, and let's get stuck into this chart of Bitcoin. This is on the 4-hour time frame. It's also the time frame lately that I've been sharing with the subscribers and bundle members that we got into our short position. But I got a lot of questions about this chart, so I wanted to break down the whole thing, and here we go. So this is a consolidation basing pattern. We call this stage 1. A lot of times here in stage 1 where it's just consolidating, eventually all that volatility gets bent up and we get that squeeze shading, letting us know that a violent move is incoming, most likely a breakout and a brand new uptrend. When you see that shading, it's also letting you know to wait for a breakout arrow. This one happened to be to the upside, and this started what we call a stage 2 breakout uptrend. Okay, well, a stage 2 breakout, which starts a stage 2 uptrend. Okay. A lot of S's here, guys. Eventually, we get some reversal signals. This one here was not confirmed. Neither was this one. For these to be confirmed, these yellow ones that are bearish reversals, one of the next 2 bars has to close below the wick of that reversal candle. None of these did. Whenever a indicator is delineated, a setup is delineated, the opposite occurs. Okay, you continue that trend. This one was also delineated, but this one here was not. This bar did close below the wick of this bearish yellow reversal bar, confirming that. And it's almost a little bit of a double top here that we see. Okay, I can't make new highs over here. And as you see, we start to lose all those green dots. The trend is letting you know there that it's weakening. Take that profit off the books. Eventually, we break down here. This goes from a stage 2 uptrend, which is all of this, to what we call a stage 3 basing pattern. This is where you start getting very cautious, and you also see a squeeze shading that happened to appear now as well. Again, giving you some vibes to be cautious because now the dots are turned red, the bars are red. You should be thinking that the trend is getting much weaker, and that squeeze shading is very scary. We get a little bit of a fake out here, or a bullish reversal. Again, not confirmed because the next bar, none of the next 2 bars close above the wick. So again, delineated, and the trend carries on. We're red. We eventually get that breakout arrow that we're waiting for, just like the green one we got over here, starts a brand new violent trend. Now, let me teach you something. You hear the saying that you take the stairs up in a bull market and the elevator down. This is exactly what they mean. The markets fall a lot quicker than they rise, and that's why bear markets catch everyone off guard, okay? This is on the 4-hour chart, but the same thing happens whether you're on a daily, weekly, or a monthly. Eventually, we get that capitulation bottom here. This is actually where I got out of my short. I caught this short perfectly. I posted it for my subscribers and bundle members. I got out on this bar here, not because of the bar, again, because of the volume profile that was capitulation volume. After that stage 4, we start basing in a basing pattern. This is where I told everyone, listen, just wait for this to consolidate, and then we might get a violent move down for a springboard move up. And that is kind of what I'm seeing here, okay? It's also why I was ready for the short position. I kind of assumed that this was going to happen. We kept those red dots. We're below a track line. All of this is bearish. This is bearish momentum below here. Red bars say the macro trend is also bearish. And here we go, testing, eating that supply as buyers are absorbed each time we dip. Eventually, no more buyers, and we make that leg further down. Now, we are printing a reversal bar. I don't have a lot of faith in this one, but I am watching to see if we do get a confirmed bar in the next 2 bars, right? So confirmed bar means that it has to close above the upper wick of this turquoise bullish reversal bar. So that's the current setup you need to watch for, guys. But again, don't be complacent. This is a stage 4 downtrend, and when it broke that red line, that was what turned it from a stage 3 basing into a stage 4 downtrend, which we are currently in on the 4-hour. Guys, if you like this type of breakdown, this is also what I do for Alpha Bundle members on every live stream that we do. There's a lot of lessons. I also do a lot of this for the subs, but mainly they get my ideas and my thoughts every day, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and a repost. I don't do these free ones often, simply because, well, you know, the other members are paying, but I do like to do them for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it again. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.